Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am doing a very quick and easy Father's Day present, personalized, really anything you could do with. So I'm starting with this Sublimation metal, like aluminum sign. And the first thing I did was I measured it. And if I'm not mistaken, oh good, I have the the tape measure. It's 14 by 10. And so I knew I wanted to completely cover this whole sign. So I'm going to use my 11 by 17 paper so that I don't have to piece anything together. I use the Epson Inco Tank 15,000, which you can do the bigger sizes in. So I went to Creative Fabrica and I found a background that I liked and grabbed some like tools, silhouette tools, so that I could put on this sign. My parents have like a little farm and my dad has his own little workshop. So I thought this would be perfect to make for him for Father's Day. And so everybody calls him Papa. My kids, all my nieces and nephews, my grandson, have always called him Papa. So I decided to put on here, being Papa's garage or workshop, I think is what it says. First thing I'm doing here is I took off the protective layer and then I'm cleaning this with alcohol and getting a nice clean surface to start with. So then here is the sign that I made. It just says Papa's Workshop. I can fix anything except stupid. And my dad has always said something about you can't fix stupid for as long as I can remember. So I thought that was perfect. And then the background is just like this rusted looking sign. So I thought this would go perfect in his workshop. So I'm going to lay the sublimation sign down onto the paper and then get it lined up to exactly where I wanted it. And then I'm going to use my heat safe tape to attach this sign to it so that I can then transport it over to my heat press. So I placed it down onto my preheated heat press. It's at 400 degrees. And I had already laid down butcher paper so that when I lay down the sign, any blowout will go right onto that butcher paper and keep my heat press clean. I also put another piece of butcher paper on top. And I did this at medium pressure and 40 seconds. After that, took it off and it is extremely hot, but it does cool down fairly quickly. So I was happy about that. And I'm just going to remove the tape and then show you. And I love how this turned out. It is so vibrant. There is one area though, I think I didn't get it under the heat press enough. And so I am gonna fix that. And then I'll show you here in just a second how that turned out. I just used the same piece of paper that didn't go down all the way. So it still had plenty of ink on it. But this is something you can completely customize for anybody, for yourself. I think I'm going to make one for my craft room. It's just the perfect customizable thing for someone who has everything. So there, I have fixed the corner. You could hardly even tell, but I really think my dad's going to love this. So I just wanted to say, don't forget about the sale that I've got going on. $10 $10 off every pre-made tumbler. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.